Dear students, we are studying the third chapter from the evolutionary biology, and from the chapter number 3, the last bit is remained, and that last bit, that is the artificial selection. So here I will just summarize what we have studied systematically as per the syllabus. So listen here, this is the syllabus. So from syllabus, unit number first, there is introduction to theories of evolution. So Lamarckism, Darwinism, Neo-Darwinism and Hugo de Vries theory we have already completed. Then second chapter is the evidences of organic evolution. Evidences means the proof or support to the organic evolution. So there are different evolution evidences. So morphological and anatomical evidences. In that, homologous organs, analogous organs, vestigial structure and their evolution we have studied. Physiological and biochemical evidences with example already we have completed. The next evidences, that is the embryological evidences, then paleontological evidences and taxonomical evidences. So this complete chapter, all the evidences in the favor of organic evolution we have studied. Then next chapter, that is the process of evolutionary changes. Process of evolutionary changes. This chapter we are studying, and from this chapter we have studied the organic variations, isolating mechanisms, natural selections. In natural selection there is the example industrial melanism. Then yesterday we have studied the types of natural selection. So there are directional, stable or stabilizing and disruptive types of natural selection. And today we will study the artificial selection. So dear students, listen here. Artificial selection in evolution or origin of the species is very important. So here artificial selection means man-made selections of animals. Artificial. In the laboratory or in the field, man-made the selection. So it is very important in the case of breeding of animals. Breeding of animals or crossing of the animals. You know that the hybrid, उच्च क्वालिटीचं breed, high, 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 and BREED, breed, hybrid. In the society, the illiterate peoples, they are doing the pronunciation very wrong. So we are the educated, that is hybrid. So hybrid is very important in the artificial selection. What we are doing in the artificial selection? So in artificial selection, we are selecting the good quality of animals and crossing them. So breeding of animal to produce desirable traits, desirable characters. Desirable म्हणजे अति उच्चतम गुणवत्तेचा, अति उच्चतम लक्षणांचा, जसं आपण म्हणतो गुड, बेस्ट, बेटर, एक्सलेंट, त्याच्या अजून त्याच्या वरच्या दर्जाचे जे असते त्याला म्हणतात डिझायरेबल. सो डिझायरेबल ट्रेट, फॉर ऑब्टेनिंग द डिझायरेबल ट्रेट द एनिमल्स are breeding artificial. Remember, so this artificial selection is also known as the selective breeding. Artificial selection is also known as the selective breeding because we are selecting the pure breed from pure generation. So two different generations, pure generations of desirable characters, they are inbred or they are crossed. So that is the selective breeding. सिलेक्ट केलं जातं, ॲनिमल सिलेक्ट केलं जातं आणि त्याच्यापासून उच्च गुणवत्ता असलेलं नवीन जनरेशन तयार केलं जातं. सो दॅट न्यू जनरेशन हॅव्हिंग द डिझायरेबल कॅरेक्टर्स. सो हिअर the artificial selection is also known as the selective breeding because there is the selection of the good quality of parents. Now it is a human intervention in animals. Human intervention. मानवानं हे इंट्रोड्यूस केलेलं असतं. मानवानं याच्यामध्ये महत्वाचा रोल केलेला असतो. सो इट इज द ह्युमन इंटरव्हेन्शन इन ॲनिमल्स. So domestic animals, domestic dog, domestic cats are artificially bred. So here domestic dogs are produced by artificial selection or by selective breeding. Different types of the dogs. In dog there are number of varieties, number of species. Long ear, long hairs, different color, different species, and there is the economical business also by selling the variety of dogs, different species. So domesticated dogs and domesticated cats. You remember domesticated cats that are the different breeds which is nowadays common. The white color, that is called as the Persian cat, golden color, black color. So different varieties of the cat and different varieties of the dogs. So they are produced by the artificial selection or by the artificial or selective breeding. So they are artificially mated. They are artificially crossed. Now listen, selective breeding of animal produces domestic animals. Produce the domestic animals. So here, different domestic animals are also produced by the selective breeding. So our original species of the cow, which is called the Gauran, ज्याला आपण Gauran म्हणायचो, original. So nowadays, different hybrid cows, they are producing the more milk. They are producing more milks. So like that, the hybrid animals are producing the high weighted animals. It means the more and more meat production for the non-veg peoples. Similarly, the different varieties of the poultry, they are becomes larger weighted in very few months. They are producing the eggs, which is the high protein. So here you remember the selective breeding of animal produces domestic animals, and it applies from virus to 4 footers. This artificial selection or selective breeding is applied in the animals from the virus up to the 4 footers. 4 footers means highly evolved animals. In the cows, in the goat, in the sheep. So 4 footers. The aim of artificial selection, the aim of artificial selection is to increase our productive value. To produce the more and more eggs. Our original hen, they are producing 15 to 20 eggs. But the artificial selection or selective breeding, they are producing the eggs up to the 6 months continuously. दररोज अंडे देतात हायब्रिड. पोल्ट्री जी आहे दररोज, बॉयलर पोल्ट्री जे आहे दररोज अंडे देतात. इन कंपॅरिझन टू आवर ओरिजिनल, that is the traditional hen, that hen produces only 15 to 20 eggs, but hybrid is producing more. Our livestock, आपले जे पाळीव प्राणी आहे, तो artificial selection, livestock are our artificial selection. Now it increases the meat, milk and eggs. So we will obtain from the artificial selection in more quantity of meat, more quantity of milk and more number of eggs. So it is important. Artificial selection or selective breeding is important in evolutionary biology also. Darwin was first used the term, remember Darwin was first used the term artificial selection, and he used that term in the origin of species. In Darwinism, origin of species. So dear students, this is only a small bit remain from the chapter number 3. Here the chapter number 3 is completed. In next period, in fresh mood, we will start the new chapter, that is the chapter number 4. So dear student, send your present as early as possible. Here I am having the list of students. विद्यार्थ्यांची यादी माझ्याकडे आहे. या यादीमध्ये एकूण 69 स्टुडंट्स आहेत. रिमेंबर इन दिस लिस्ट देर इज द 69 स्टुडंट्स, बट ओनली 35 to 40 students they are attending the online lectures. They are attending the work from home. So dear students, contact to your friends and give the message. Please attend the lectures. It is the message of your sir. You can say to your friends, it is the message of Sheikh sir. Please, any problem in the study, you can contact on mobile. I am ready to solve your problems anytime. Your problems are welcome to me. So for today, it is sufficient. Send your present as early as possible. Thank you very much. धन्यवाद.